What's up, everybody? Welcome to Fat Cracker Homestead. Fat Cracker here. Tonight we're going to do a oldie, but with a twist on it that we do around the house. We're going to do a potato soup, but this time we're going to make a Cajun. Add some sausage to it, some Cajun seasoning. We're going to do it upright. And then we're going to have some jalapeno cornbread to go with it. So we'll get everything set up, and we'll walk you through it. All right, guys, we got our pan heating up. First thing we're going to do. This ain't going in the dish right away, but we're going to go ahead and get it going. We got a pound of bacon we're throwing in the pan here. We're going to get it fried up. And once it gets nice and crispy, we pull it out. We'll get started on everything else. Get our spoon, our spatula here, mix it up. My pan wasn't as hot as I thought it was. We'll wait for that to heat up and get it cooked up, and then we'll come back. All right, we got our bacon done. So we'll spoon that out in the bowl over here. Let me get a spoon. Put that in the bowl. And like I said, that's for later. This off the y'all. Get that piece off the burner there. Bacon's a commodity. You don't want to lose none of it. Pretty much made our own bacon bits. So we got the burner on, a little hot to the hand there. Get all this out. So there's two reasons we did this. We need the bacon for later. Pull that up off that burner. And then that last little piece out of there. One more. Got that there. So we'll slide our big pot over, take the lid off, and we're going to take some of this bacon grease. This is the other reason. We're going to pour it in the bottom there. About that much. We'll let that heat up a little bit, and we'll move on to the next step. All right, we're heating up. We're going to add a pound of smoked sausage. A little over a pound to be exact, about 24 ounces. Get that in there. It's just regular old smoked sausage. We'll brown that up real good. Let that get in there and cook down. Get it browned up real well. We'll let that brown up, and then we'll come back to it for the next step. All right, we got our sausage browned up. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit here. I'll pull this sausage out and put it in this bowl over here. Get that in there. Boom. A little fire going, it's a little hot. Keep spilling grease on the burner. Get all this out of here. All right, let me get this out and we'll step to the next step. All right, we got our sausage out. Now we're going to add the Trinity. We got one bell pepper, one onion, and some celery diced up. Put it in that oil. Let it cook in there. Pull all that flavor out of the bottom of that pan. And the sausage and the bacon grease. Let that cook in. And while we're sweating that down, we're going to take some Slap Your Mama and sprinkle it all over everything. That's going to give us our spices and stuff we need. Get it all mixed in there. We'll let this sweat down, and then we'll get on to the next step. We'll be back. All right, we got that sweat down. Onions are starting to turn translucent. Now we're going to add a little bit of garlic. Add a little bit there. Mix that in, cook it for about a minute. That flavor is there. Let that sear down a little bit. Get this ready over here real quick, and I'll stir it again. Don't really want to burn that garlic. Mix it out again. All right. Look, that's good enough. That's been a minute, a little under. Like I said, we don't want to burn the garlic. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come in with some chicken broth. Cool that pan down. Spoon out real quick. Two quarts of chicken broth. Stir that up real quick. And then we're going to add in our potatoes. I got 9 diced russet potatoes and a pound of golden potatoes in there. I had them soaking in water. Drain most of the water off. I'm going to add some of that starch water in there to kind of thicken it up a little bit. Add that in there. Stir it up real quick. Bump our heat back up. Bring that to a boil. All right. Put a little bit more heat to it. Bring it up to a boil. Put the lid on it. We're going to bring it up and let it boil for a little while till the potatoes are done. And then we'll finish up the rest of the soup. And we'll be back. All right. While we're waiting on our soup to boil and cook down, we're going to make some cornbread here. Skillet cornbread. This was our sausage pad, so we'll use that little bit of grease in there. Shouldn't hurt anything. Get our cornbread mix out. Get that in just a minute. Get a pair of scissors. All right, there's one bag. Come on in. Oh, I dropped it. All right, there's the other bag. And what we'll do is we'll take it off the counter real quick. Good thing I cleaned the counter beforehand. We'll just wipe that in there. So now we got that. I got a cup of jalapenos diced up a little bit, pickled jalapenos. Put them in there. Then we're going to add a can of creamed corn. Maybe if I can get under it. Give me just a minute. Got my oven at 400. Got the pan in there warming up, skillet. I'm going to add this can of creamed corn to it. Then 2 fresh eggs just go out of the coop. We're going to take them, drop them down in there. Then we'll grab our fork and mix it up real well. Wasn't ready. We're missing an ingredient too. Give me just a minute. I forgot about one special ingredient the box calls for. Give me just a second. Get my measuring cup here. Right here. We're going to add a cup of milk. Forgot all about it. I apologize. Need to be a little bit more prepared. But this is what happens when I cook. It'll be all right. All right, so then we'll add this in too. Cup of milk in there. Now we'll mix this all up real well. Might be a little much. That mixing. Mix it in real good. All right, I think we're mixed up enough. We'll wait for that pan to heat up and we'll come back to it. All right, so we got our pan out of the oven. It's smoking hot. So what we're gonna do here is drop in a stick of butter, get it melted down, then add the cornbread mix. Now I realized I made a mistake and I put too much milk. I should have put 2/3 cup of milk. I ended up putting a cup. So let's melt this butter down. So I added another box of cornbread mix to it. See how hot that pan is? Get it up on the sides here. All around the side. Slick that up a little bit. All right, we'll knock that down. Mix up our mix just a little bit more. Open the arms out of the way. And then we're going to pour that in there. It's a lot of butter. I might have put too much butter, but never hurt nobody. We'll see what happens. Get all this goodness out of that pan. Use my, see if I can find my soft fold. There it is. Pull this all out. Scrape that pan down in there. That bowl. Get all the goodness in there. Kind of even that out a little bit. Judge it with the butter. And then we'll put her in the oven and let her cook. See how she turns out. We'll get this dropped in and we'll be back. All right, everybody. My phone died and I couldn't use my microphones. I had to plug it in, so I'm doing a voiceover for it. So right now we added in our smoked sausage we cooked earlier. We're going to mix that around in there and get the flavors in there. And then I took about a cup mashed potatoes, pulled the potatoes out, and made about a cup of mashed potatoes. We're going to mix that in. And what that does is thicken up the soup and get it thick enough. Make a nice hearty soup to it. Get that mixed in. Play with the bowl a little bit there. Mix it in real well, and then what we do after we mix that in, here you'll see me bring it up. We're going to mix in some heavy whipping cream. And that also makes the soup a little heartier. And what we'll do is, I'll get to stirring that in. Yeah, we'll mix that in. Mix it in real well, and then once we get done stirring that in and mixed in real well, we'll leave the soup on simmer and put the lid on it and let it simmer. Now, as we get going, I want to let you know I forgot to shoot where I pulled the cornbread out of the oven. And when we go to this next scene, it's already been served up to the kids, but right there, we already spooned the soup out into a bowl, and I'm gonna make like a loaded baked potato style. Add some Colby Jack cheese to it, however much you feel. The bacon I cooked earlier, I added to it, and I went out and picked some green onions while it was simmering out of the yard, and added them to the video, or to the soup, I mean. And then got all that in, and you mix it together and you eat it. It's pretty good soup. And then the cornbread took a little bit longer than we were supposed to do. It said 20 minutes on the box, but it ended up taking a little over an hour to get it done all the way through. It ended up pretty good. Crumbled apart real easy, but it tasted good. Nice jalapeno and sweet corn flavor. And that's the video, guys. Remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Try to cook, keep cooking, keep everybody fed. This is another damn good meal for Fat Cracker. Y'all have a good one.